Hey guys, in this time, I draw for you about knitting basket. Okay, enjoy the show. On the front plane, choose sketch. Then create centerline. Line. Set dimension at 220 millimeters. Angle at 10 degrees. Eight millimeters. 9.1 millimeters. 2.5 millimeters. 83 millimeters. 5 degrees. 5 degrees. 9 millimeters. Fillet entities at 12.5 millimeters. Then choose Revolved Surface on Surface toolbar. Click Axis of Revolution. OK. Offset surface at 0 millimeters. Select Surface. OK. Then choose Thicken. Set thickness at 0.9 millimeters outside. OK. Fillet radius at 0.8 millimeters. Create sketch in this face. Create circle at 157 millimeters of the diameter. Then choose Extruded Boss from Feature toolbar. Set depth at 2.3 millimeters. Draft angle at 1 degree. Thin feature in mid-plane. Set thickness at 2.3 millimeters. OK. Move face to add the bottom surface at 0.4 millimeters. Select face. OK. Full round fillet. Select item to fillet. OK. Copy surface with offset surface command. Select offset parameters. Distance at 0 millimeters. OK. Hide the surface revolve 1. Click this face, then choose sketch. Create centerline. Midpoint line. Create center point arc. Make midpoint. Set dimension of centerline at 259 millimeters. Width 47 millimeters. Choose extruded surface. Set depth at 8 millimeters. Draft angle at 5 degrees. OK. Create sketch in this face. Convert entities. Click edges. OK. Trim to closest. OK. Then choose planar surface. OK. Knit surface. Select surface. Merge entities. OK. Click right plane. then choose mirror. Select surface to mirror. OK. Trim surface. Choose mutual trim type. Select surfaces. Choose keep selection surfaces. OK. Create thicken 1.1 millimeters inside. OK. Move face at 0.4 millimeters. OK. On the feature toolbar, choose split. Select top plane and surface revolve 1 as trim tools. Select bodies to split. Then click cut bodies. Select bodies to cut. OK. Hide surface. Choose fillet. Set fillet radius at 1.5 millimeters. Select items to fillet. OK. Fillet radius at 2.6 millimeters. Choose items to fillet. OK. Edit feature. Select edge 5. OK. Choose sketch on the front plane. Create corner rectangular. Make coincident. Set height at 1.8 millimeters. Width, 1 millimeter. On the feature toolbar, choose sweep. Select sketch 5 as a profile. Then choose path. OK. Fillet radius at 0.9 millimeters. OK. Show surface. Create line sketch on the bottom surface. Exit sketch. Hide bodies. Click sketch 6, then choose project curve. Select face to project it. OK. Hide surface. Then show bodies. Create sketch on this face. Create center line. Offset entities at 0.95 millimeters. Check bidirectional and offset geometry. OK. Set in 1.7 millimeters. Uncheck bidirectional. OK, then close. Convert entities. Trims to closest. Create line. Arc. And line again. Tangent. Make equal. Tangent. Set radius at 0.8 millimeters. Offset entities at 0.3 millimeters. Check base geometry. And uncheck offset geometry. Check reverse. OK. Then close. Trim corner. Make coincident. Make horizontal. Exit sketch. Choose sweep boss. Sketch 7 is a profile. Select curve 1 as a path. OK. On the front plane, choose sketch. Create centerline. Create line. Make equal. Set dimension at 2.5 millimeters. 4.6 millimeters. 1.7 millimeters. Width at 10.5 millimeters. Choose mirror entities. Select entities to mirror. Mirror line. OK. Show surface. Choose split line. Click face to split. Check single direction. OK. Offset surface at 0.3 millimeters. OK. Hide split line 1. Then choose thicken. Set thickness at 0.8 millimeters. Uncheck merge result. OK. Fillet radius at 0.9 millimeters. Click edge to fillet. OK. On the front plane, choose sketch. Create centerline. Then create circle. Set diameter at 4 millimeters. OK. Choose extruded boss. From surface. Click reverse. Set depth at 2.2 millimeters. Select bodies to merge. OK. Fillet radius at 0.9 millimeters. Click right plane, then choose sketch. Convert entities for curve 1. Show sketch 9. Make horizontal. Change to construction geometry. Exit sketch. On the feature toolbar, choose curve-driven pattern. Select sketch 10 as pattern direction. Select bodies. Set 14 instances. OK. Hide sketch. Create axis from front plane and right plane. OK. On the feature toolbar, choose circular pattern. Select Sweep 2. Set instances at 110. OK. Choose Move command. Uncheck Copy. Axis 1. Set 3.272 degrees. Select Bodies to move. OK. Hide bodies. Show surface. Delete face. Delete and patch. Copy surface at 0 degrees. Hide delete face 1. Show solid bodies. Click surface offset 4. Then choose cut with surface. OK. Hide surface offset 4. Click axis 1. Then choose circular pattern. Instances at 55. Select body to copy. OK. Click Bodies. Press Shift on keyboard. Click End Bodies. Then choose Combine. OK. Done. See you in the next video. Get early access to new videos by clicking Join. Thank you.